Yo, it's me Jihan, and in this video I just wanted to go over quickly on how to DMCA someone who stole your items on Roblox. The easiest and fastest way. This is gonna basically help you to stop getting weird emails back from Roblox saying that they couldn't take your item down or something because maybe you used a wrong DMCA template. So I will show you how I take down my clothes without any fuss or any struggle, right? So I got I got a DM from one of my friends and he told me, yo bro, check this group out. I was like, okay, cool. Anyway, so I go on this group and then I see, okay, so I'm on page 5 already because I looked through this. But then I was like, okay, I can already know everything is stolen because I actually recognized some of these clothes. So then I found my clothes, right? Okay, boom, stolen clothes. Let's take this shit down. So, and they charge 9 Robux for this shit, bro. That's greedy. Anyway, so now I want to take this down because I don't want them to get more sales than they already will because they actually have a TikTok that gets views. Lucky bastards. Anyway, now I have this DMCA template on my description, which I just made right now. This is the template I use to DMCA people. So in the section, we have the person that you're going to send the email to, the subject of the email, and some random shit, right? I just want to say, you need to give real information. So that means your real address, your real name, your real phone number, your real email, right? You can't fake this because this is legal information. This situation is illegal. I know it sounds dumb and it's Roblox, but it's actually a legal situation, right? So I'm just going to quickly go over this, right? Number 1, you put your name, and in this number 2 section, this is where you copy the link of your original piece. So this is stolen and this is original. This is original from my group, right? So for example, I'll copy the link and I would place this in number 1. This is original. The stolen one, I would copy this, place that onto the what? This is the stolen piece. And don't mix these up because maybe like Roblox might actually take down the original sometimes. So, put the stolen piece on number 3 section. So this is the first link. Always match the number. So 1, 1. And you might be asking, why do I have number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5? Basically, this is the part where it comes about efficiency. So back then I used to use this template, but I used to like DMCA one by one. I used to send one email about one shirt, one email about one pants. But I realized after that you don't need to do that. You can actually do it all in one email. So that's why I have these extra numbers for you. And I will actually do this right now. Let's actually scroll through this group real quick and find some other stolen pieces from me. Oh, boom. Of course, we find some dumbass stolen clothes. Yo, so they actually changed the color of this shirt. The original color was green. They made this like like cyan. This is the stolen piece. I will actually go find the original. So the stolen piece, I'll put this in link number 2. Okay, now let's go find the original. I will show you that this dumbass group is stupid and they think that changing color is gonna save them from my DMCA. They're gonna be wrong. So let me just quickly find this. Boom, found it. I mean, I'm taking a long time just because I'm actually like explaining with you guys. This doesn't take that long. I'm just gonna compare this side by side just so you know this is not fake. Look at this. Nice difference, guys. Okay, now this is original. Copy and I paste that on the number 2 on the first section. So number 1 is the first stolen original piece. On the third section is the matching stolen piece, right? And you have to do that. You just keep matching it. So I would go search more, but I would, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Okay, so we have these two. Cool. So now let's talk about how to actually input this into your email. Go to your email, and some of this video is gonna be blurred out because it has my actual information. So essentially, what you wanna do is you wanna go to compose, and I actually already sent this email out, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna send it, but you know how to send emails, dumbass. So to copyright agent at Roblox, just basically copy and paste what I wrote to designated agent, which you can just copy and paste from this one here. And this is where you have to fill out the information. Essentially, copy from this section all the way down to signature, and boom. As soon as you copy and paste, I'm going to make this full screen right now. So now you already have these things. And since, let's say you didn't find a number 3 piece, number 4 piece, you can get rid of these numbers just like so. So now you only have 1 stolen piece and two stolen pieces, right, that you're going to take down. So in the complaining party, put your full name, put your full address, put your actual phone number and your actual email. Then you put this here. You need that. Just copy paste that, and then you're going to put signature. This is the most important part. Don't skip the signature, because if you don't have a signature, this is one of the most important part of why sometimes your DMCA emails do not get accepted, because you don't have a signature. Now for signature, I used to use Google Mail to make my signature. But as you can see, there's a little text at the bottom that says my name, and that is my signature over here. But I don't know why. I don't feel like that's professional. So what I did was I actually just made a signature. So how did I do that? If I go onto my original email that I used to have this email. How I did it was I went into the settings of the email. I'm pretty sure you can do this on any email source. So Yahoo is the same. You want to click on, if you're using Gmail, which most of you are, this is the easiest. Click on the settings icon, click on all settings, see all settings, scroll down, and then you will see a section that says signature. Over here, you can create a new signature. You can basically start drawing a signature, which I forgot how to do. You will see when you make create new. And then I basically just drew my signature, right? So what I do now, since I couldn't figure this out on my Yahoo email, I basically copy and paste an image of my signature onto this section. So I'm actually just going to quickly do that right now. So I'll go to my previous emails. Then I just copy the signature here. So I'll copy image. Yeah, I'll go back here. And then I paste the signature that I use. It'll be down here. But you will make your own signature. And it's very easy to do so. I'm pretty sure you can even go to your photo editing app and just like draw a signature and just copy paste the image into this section. Okay. Once you have done this, filled out this information and make sure everything's correct and matching the template, you can now send the email and you will get a response very quick because Roblox actually the response to this stuff. So I'm gonna give a summary. Find original piece, find stolen piece, import it to the template, make sure everything's right and everything is ready to go, and you can send it off. Make sure your signature is there and make sure you are taking down more than one piece in one email because it will save you time. And next time when you do this, you don't need to go back to this template. What you can do is go back to your sent email, copy and paste that so that you don't need to like re-input your address and other information, or you can just tweak this and save a different copy of this for yourself with the filled out information, which saves even more time. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you get rid of these stolen groups. Yeah, fuck stolen clothes. Take care.